We're still sleeping. Here. He is not sleeping. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, Jesus. Okay, why is there a bowl in the bed? Okay, well, come here. Let's play some fetch. You want to play fetch? Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Do you want to meet Elby today, maybe? Let's see what he's doing. I think Elby would really like you. Come here. Come here. Let's play fetch. Play fetch. Come. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Come back. Come back. Good job. Good job. Good. Let me see that. Go get it. Yay! Okay, why do you have this bowl? Here, come here. Here, go get it. He's sometimes a little slow. Good job. Good job. Okay, why do you have to land on your sister? Okay. Hi.